How to find Facebook QR code. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the search bar at the top right corner of your screen, which is magnifying glass-like option. And here, search QR code. After you've searched QR code, you'll find QR code at the top with the arrow. Click on it. And you'll find scanning option as well. You can scan others' QR code. And if you want your QR code, click on my code at the top and you'll find your QR code in here. Click on share to directly share it to people, or else you can simply share through screenshot as well. And this is how to find Facebook QR code. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.